H160 is a 5 to 6 ton helicopter, which is being designed to target numerous market segments, such as on and offshore passenger transportation, but also corporate and VVIP application, and public service, law enforcement, and search and rescue. It's an aircraft which looks nice. We've made, as you can see, a lot of effort on the design and the loft line and the style, but it's not only that. It includes up to 68 patents, and they will be for the first time embedded into serial helicopters. The most spectacular one are the blades, the main blades, with a typical shape. We call them blue edge, and they reduce the noise. They have been designed for that. They provide also additional lift, up to 100 kg more. The airframe is a full composite one. It is the first time that we do that for a commercial helicopter. We are used to master that technology, but it was so far more dedicated for military application than commercial one. It makes the aircraft lighter. You can see also that the tail boom has a specific shape and a specific design, with a fenestron, a canted fenestron, 12 degrees, and it provides also additional performance and additional lift, up to 50 kilos more. The biplane also, which is the stabilizer, which improve aerodynamic performance of the helicopter and provide also an additional bunch of 40 kilos. So all in all, the three innovations, the blade, the stabilizer, and the tail rotor, they increase the payload by about 200 kilo. And it's really what we wanted to do with that helicopter. It's fuel efficiency, energy efficiency. It is fitted also with two Turbomeca Arano engines that are burning approximately, depending on the missions, but between 15 and 20% less fuel than the existing generation of engine. We are flying the first prototype this year. We have already had a lot of flight tests on demonstrator in order to de-risk and mature technologies, but the first prototype is being completed and will fly this year, together with a second one, which is being assembled now, and that will fly by the end of the year. Then we'll start the commercialization and the promotion next year. So we hope that next HAI will be able to make some announcement. And the certification and the first delivery are scheduled for the second part of 2018. The development has gone quite fluently and according to our plans. So we have not flown yet, but we have designed two test means that we call Helicopter Zero. One for all the hydraulic, electrical and avionics system, which is fully representative of the final configuration of the helicopter. And we have been testing the equipment now for more than one year, with some issues, some technical facts to be resolved, but not a major problem that would have stopped us. On the same way, we have got the counterpart of the System Helicopter Zero, another bench called Dynamic Helicopter Zero, where we intend to run on the ground all the powertrain of the helicopter, starting from the engine, through the gearbox, the main rotor, the tail boom, and the tail rotor. And that bench will start running several months before the first flight. And by doing things in that way, we front load activity in the time frame, but we de-risk also the program, and we are at a stage where the maturity of the design is quite in advance from what we have done by the past. And we have learned by experience and learned also from our colleague from Airbus, the fixed wing guys, because we had a lot of exchange on how to organize the development activity, what are the means we must use, what's the process also the organization, the tools, and there is a lot of cross-fertilization between Airbus and Airbus helicopters. And I'm convinced it will pay off.